Hello everybody, my name is Christy Fullerton, and today I'm going to show you the process, demonstrate the process of how to rig a fishing pole for brim fishing. Have you ever been brim fishing and wondered why you weren't getting any bite? Brim are probably one of the easiest fish to catch, so easy in fact, children are good at it. When setting up your fishing pole for brim fishing, there is a more efficient way to get better results. Picking out the right bobber, hook, and other accessories is important, and I'm going to demonstrate these steps to you. There are several different types of bobbers and sizes, but only two that most people really know about. The basic bobber. The basic bobber you can push down, and it's got little hooks on each end where you can put it on the fishing line. Right? Everybody know what a basic bobber is?
Oh, yeah.
Good. Slide bobbers are not fixed to one spot on your fishing line like a basic bobber. They slide back and forth between the weights and the bobber stopper. This is a slip bobber.
Bobber stoppers are the worst.
Clamp weights come in all different sizes, but when brim fishing, small clamp weights have to be used, or the weight is too heavy and will sink your bobber. We're going to start, but I'm going to tell you about how to. Whoops. Previous slide. Alright, so you start by taking your fishing pole, whatever fishing pole you would like to use, whether you're setting up your kids or whatever. You're going to take these little things right here, these strings, which are called bobber stoppers. You see how they're on a small piece of plastic? The small piece of plastic has a hole in it. Imagine this is your fishing line. You slide the piece of plastic over your fishing line, and you slide the string off onto your fishing line, and you tighten it up, which leaves it like a little knot on your fishing line. Then you take the green bead that comes with the bobber stopper, and you put it on after your string. You'll put your slip bobber on after your bobber stopper. The bead will stop the slip bobber from going over the string.
There's always that first one.
You'll then want to take your fishing hook, a small fishing hook, which is used for panfish hook, or brim, or small fish. Probably you're going to use crickets or worms. And you'll tie it to the end of your fishing line. This is how you tie a fishing knot. You're going to wrap it around, wrap it around, wrap it around, and then you're going to put it through the hole at the bottom and pull tight so that it tightens up around the top of the hook. Does anybody have any questions about how to tie a fishing knot? This is the kind of weight that you will need to use. This weight is a clamp weight. You will put the fishing line in this area right here, and you will close tightly on either side so that it stays firm. So that it will stay firm on your fishing line. Depending on what size weight you have, you may want to use one or two. Some people prefer 3. And this is what your final product will look like. You will have your bobber stopper, as you see here, and you can move it up and down on your string to your desired depth. You will have your protective bead here that will keep your bobber from sliding over the string, your slider bobber, your weight, your hook, and you should have about this much distance in between your weight and your hook. This will allow the hook to stay off from sitting on the bottom of the lake, pond, body of water that you're fishing in, and allow you to keep from getting snagged on branches, limbs. And once it's complete, you will cut off any excess line that you have. On the fishing line, the string, to make sure that there's nothing just, swaying about in the water, floating around. If you follow these steps, will allow you for more efficient fishing when trying to catch smaller fish such as brim. Once you fish with your pole set up like I have demonstrated, you will feel more confident in your fishing skills and begin to think of yourself as a professional, just like I do. Does anybody have any questions about the demonstration? No? Okay. Good. Thank you.